Still in the US, Donald Trump has been handed a no-penalty sentence after his conviction in his hush money case. Now, the US president-elect received unconditional discharge, meaning he won't face jail time or be given a fine. James Matthews has the details.
Well, Donald Trump was not there. Juan Merchan, the presiding judge, convened this court hearing in New York at 9:30 a.m. On a video monitor, Donald Trump appeared sitting next to his lawyer, Todd Blanche, from Mar-a-Lago. That was his input into proceedings. He listened as the judge announced his sentencing at the close of proceedings, saying that he would have this absolute discharge. As you say, Jonathan, it has no practical impact, no jail sentence. He could have been jailed for up to 4 years, no fine, but he does have the classification formally now of convicted felon. He will be sworn in as such on the 20th of January as the 47th president of the United States. That's what Donald Trump had fought desperately to avoid. He's gone to pretty much every court in the land, went to the US Supreme Court yesterday, the highest court in the land, to ask for a delay in sentencing. He did not get it. That's why we had this proceeding this morning, an absolute discharge, as I say. We have an audio recording of events. It lasted about 20 minutes, a little bit longer. And Donald Trump was, in familiar style, railed against his conviction, railed against the very fact that he had to be there in the first place. Let's have a listen.
This has been a very terrible experience. I think it's been a tremendous setback for New York and the New York court system. This was a case that Alvin Bragg did not want to bring. He thought it was, from what I read and from what I hear, inappropriately handled before he got there. It's been a political witch hunt. It was done to damage my reputation so that I'd lose the election, and obviously that didn't work. And the people of our country got to see this firsthand because they watched the case in your courtroom. They got to see this firsthand, and then they voted, and I won and got the largest number of votes by far of any Republican candidate in history.
There you go, a familiar refrain from Donald Trump. We've heard that before. We will hear it again because he is continuing his appeal against conviction. That will be another stress test for the US legal system, but too late for his inauguration on the 20th of January, and that is what's stressing him out.